Let it breathe. Fasakakede. You have the responsibility. Let it breathe. 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 You have the mentality to give the space to breathe. Let it breathe. 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 Let it breathe. Breathe. You have the responsibility to give them space to breathe. Hi guys, what's up everybody? My name is Baby Girl for Life. You can call me Baby Girl. I'm a singer, a music singer, a song singer, a songwriter, a song producer, a song educator, a song monopoly, a song emperor, a song conqueror, a musician, a song musician, a song lion, a song tiger, a song elephant, song everything. You have the responsibility to give them space to breathe. Let it breathe. This is an appetizer. An appetizer. This is not food. It's just an appetizer to tell my body I'm coming back. It's not food. Let it pour breathe and give them space to breathe. You have the ability. Let it pour breathe. 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 You have the responsibility to give them space to breathe. Let it pour breathe. 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 Hey guys, once again, my name is Baby Girl for Life. You can call me Baby Girl. I'm a singer, a music singer. I can't swallow my ring video. I'm a singer, a music singer, a song singer, a songwriter, a song producer, a song emperor, a song conqueror, a musician, a musician, a music everything, song everything, music composer, song composer, music editor, song editor, music marketer, a song marketer, music governor, music president, music lion, music tiger, a music everything. Yes, let it pour, breathe, breathe. And give them space to breathe. Ooh, let it pour, breathe, breathe. As yesterday, I realized a lot of people still haven't heard of PR Organic. Wow. You guys are really, really missing. Yeah, as yesterday, my God. I did some question and answer section yesterday on my page. In case you missed it, you want to know everything about Baby Girl, just go there to read. It wasn't a video, it was just a normal post. A lot of people haven't heard of PR Organic. They were still asking me, oh, how come you keep your weight intact? Oh, my fish is falling out. How come you don't put on weight? You eat a lot, you eat this, you eat that, you don't put on weight. Oh my God. The secret is PR Organic. Do you guys want me to use microphone to shout it? PR Organic! The secret is PR Organic. She's in charge of my weight loss. You see this body? You see this body? PR Organic is in charge. She is the one managing my body. If I want to lose weight more than this, I'm not putting on any, what do they call it? That thing they use in tying their tummy. Wait, tummy belt or whatever. What do they call that thing they use? That big stuff they use in tying their waist trainer. Yeah. I don't use waist trainer. Look at me. I'm not putting on any waist trainer. PR Organic is the answer. PR Organic is the reason why I'm not adding weight. If I want to lose weight more than this, it's just for me to continue to take my products. And the good part of it is there is no side effects. In case, oh, I'm jealous of her body. You don't need to be jealous. It's not everything you have to be jealous of. You are just a phone call away from PR Organic. She's in charge of my weight loss. She's in charge of my body, my skin, my flat tummy, my big hips, my big butt, my standy boobs. My God, my stretch marks, everything is zero. PR Organic is in charge. PR Organic. Her contact is 0023481561585550. PR Organic. They are in charge of me from my head to my toe. They are the reason why I don't add weight. They are the reason why I'm having a flawless skin. They are the reason why I don't have knuckles. There's no knuckles. They are the reason why I don't have big tummy. You see this I just ate now? This one is an appetizer. It's just to tell the ones in me that fufu is coming. Something hard is coming. Something strong is coming. This is not food. How can I eat this and call it food? No. This is snacks. I can never add weight. With PR Organic Skincare, with PR Organic Weight Loss Powder, with PR Organic everything, I can never add weight. PR Organic, the #1 skincare vendor in the world. PR Organic, the #1 weight loss vendor in the world. Now people are jealous of my body. You are just a phone call away from the PR Organic. Their Facebook page is PR Organic. But baby, before you make any payment via social media, before you make any payment via Facebook, please make sure you screenshot the page to me to make sure I can confirm it's the real PR Organic, okay? Because so many imposters out there. Be very careful. This is Facebook. Scammers out there, especially on Facebook. That's why you have to call her. That's why you have to call them on 002348156155 002348156158 I repeat 002348156158 Use Baby Girl as a discount code. You see this flawless skin with all the things I eat in the world. Every bando way, get about be the bado. So many things I'm not gonna say. Oh my baby queen fire. I don't want to lose a lot tonight. Baby, come back to me. I don't want to lose your love tonight. Every be bando way. So my bado be the bado. So many things I'm not gonna say. Oh, my baby, kind of bado. PR Organic, I don't want to lose your love, baby. You came at the right time. I eat too. When you come to my house, there are two things you're gonna find commonly in my house: food and clothes. Every corner of my house is full of clothes and food. I love food and I love clothes. I can't really tell which of which I love most. I love food. Oh my God, I just like eating. I just like putting things here. I eat not because I'm hungry, I eat because I want to eat. Instead of me using my mouth to talk shit, I use it to eat. When you talk too much, you start talking nonsense. But when you eat too much, you eat. You just eat. It's food. Instead of you to call somebody and start gossiping someone who hasn't offended you, looking for a way to pull down the person, my darling, go and eat with your mouth. Go and eat. You see this tongue? It's very small. It can kill and it can save. Instead of you to use it to kill, go and eat. Go and eat. You're not going to add weight. Some people actually deprive themselves from eating because they want to add weight. How can you add weight when PR Organic is there? How can you add weight when PR Organic weight loss powder is there? You can add weight. Go and eat. Go and eat. You cook like this, you'll be looking at him. I've eaten, no. If I eat now, put on weight. Me. I eat. If you say I eat too much, I'm not going to deny it because I eat. You see this croissant? I bought 6 this morning. It's just remaining 2. I bought 6 this morning on my way home. Remaining 2. I eat. I can never add weight. I eat fufu as if there's no tomorrow. A lot of people say fufu make them add weight. Fufu can never make me add weight. PR flat tummy powder is there. PR speedy weight loss powder is there. I can never add weight. Don't be jealous of your fellow. Go and call PR Organic on 0023481561585550. 0023481561585550. They deliver to the whole world, no matter where you're living. So long as you are breathing, you're going to receive your parcel. Are you living in America, Australia, Asia, Africa, Europe, any continent you are living? You are going to receive your parcel. Gone are those days where mothers will be having this flabby mommy tummy. Oh my God. With your PR flat tummy powder, baby, your tummy will be as flat as this wall. Your tummy will be very flat. PR Organic. Thank you for coming into my rescue. Look at me now. You're still wondering, oh, she eats a lot. She doesn't add weight. I can never add weight. If you like, come and give me food in my dream. I can never add weight. I will eat it. I will eat it. You can't do me anything. I can never add weight. Why should I add weight when PR Organic is? It's just a phone call away from PR Organic. I can never add weight. Are you suffering from any skin discoloration? Contact PR Organic. They are #1 skincare vendor in the world. If you don't believe me, go to court. PR, they are in charge of my skin. Look at me. I am glowing. Glow, 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 glow. If you have any kind of spots on your body, contact PR. There's no point of you using a harsh chemical on your skin. It's very bad. If you have this dark circle on your eyes, you have sunburn, you have knuckles, A lot of people actually have knuckles from harsh chemicals. Contact PRO. She has knuckles cream. Contact PRO. You don't need to start feeling inferior about yourself. You don't need to start having a lot. Get out. Who is this one? Hold on, guys. You don't need to start having low self-esteem. PR Organic got you covered. Look at me when I was having stretch marks all over my body, my butt, my boobie, my shoulder, everywhere, my tummy. I was so shy. I was having low self-esteem. I can't put on crop tops. I was always covering up. But since I started using my PRO stretch marks remover, you wonder why I'm always happy every day. My God, I'm seeing great changes in myself. Just take a good look at me now. Look, I'm not putting on any waist trainer or to tighten my body. Look, this one is whole. It's whole. Contact PR. It doesn't have any side effects. No side effect. It's 100% herbal. There is no side effect. If I come here to tell you there's no side effect, there's no side effect. The contact is 002348156158550. The Facebook page is PR Organic. But please, when contacting through Facebook, always screenshot the page and send to me via inbox. Let me confirm to you this is the authentic PR. If not, I'm not responsible if you get scammed. I won't be responsible. So many imposters out there. But anyone I tell you this is the real PRO, that is the real PRO. I am baby girl for life. I remain the baby girl for life. I am baby girl for life. PR Organic, the #1 skincare vendor in the world. My set is called the Hot Caramel Lotion. That's the set I am using. If you like my skin, you can tell them to give you like my set, or if you can't remember the name, caramel hot chocolate. If you can't remember, it's okay. Just tell them to give you like baby girl set. You can't forget baby girl. No forget baby girl. You can't forget baby girl. Tell them to give you like baby girl set. Caramel hot chocolate lotion. It's a set. When you use it on your body. Do you want to detox yourself? When was the last time you detox yourself? There are people watching me now haven't detoxed themselves since they were born. I see why reason why some come to my live video to come and be vomiting on my comment section. Because you don't detox yourself. Your stomach is full up of rubbish. Rubbish. That's why you eat at home. You come to my comment section to vomit. Who are you expecting to clean it up? Contact PR Organic to give you a detox pill to detox yourself. Do you know detoxing yourself can actually help with your skin? Yes. It helps with your skin. Yeah. A flawless skin is not 100% the handwork of cream, the food you eat, what comes out from your butt. If it's good enough, you're going to be having flawless skin. If you don't detox yourself, there's no way you'll be having a flawless skin. Contact PR Organic today. She is going to give you a detox pill to detox yourself. I detox myself every 3 months. That's why I have space on my tummy to be loading all this food. I like eating. You can never see me gossiping on the phone. Lie. Never. If I have extra time, I'll go and eat. Extra time, I'll go and eat. I just like eating. If you're the type that doesn't like eating, do what you like. Allow me to do what I like. And I can never get fat. Where is the fat coming from? Look at me. Where is it coming from? I can't get fat because PR Organic is there for me. Contact her today. 002348156158550. I can never add weight. Except I want to add weight. On my last video, I actually said, is there anyone that want to challenge me? If you think PR Organic is not working, I beg you to challenge me on 30 days weight loss journey. I will be coming here every day on a live stream to be taking my tea. Every day on a live stream. Even when I'm not home, I can just take it in the car on the streets. Every day for 30 days. You see, I will just be like this. I don't want to lose weight more than this now. But if you think it doesn't work, right? Just challenge me on a 30 days weight. 30 days is even too much. 14 days weight loss journey. 14 days weight loss journey. If you think 14 days is too small, okay, 30 days weight loss journey. Challenge me. Let me come here every day drinking my tea. At the end of the 30 days, you're going to see the difference in me. But the thing is, if I lose weight more than this, who's going to be putting on all my clothes? Who will be wearing all my clothes? Where will I get money to buy new clothes? If I add weight like this, they also have a weight gain product. If you want to add weight, that one actually works as well because I've tried it. I didn't try it for a long time because I don't have money to start buying new clothes. But when I tried it, during the period I tried it, I added 2 clothes sizes. After then, I have to take their weight loss powder to flush out those fats that I gained on the weight gain product. I have to flush them out because who is going to put on my clothes? I love my clothes. Yes. If you want to challenge me, let me know in the comment section. Let's do it together. 30 days weight loss challenge. I will still be eating everything I'm eating. I'm not going to change my diet. I don't need to change my diet. If I change my diet, what will I be eating? My food is fufu. Rice. All the mede. Anything I see, I eat. I don't select. Anything I see, I eat. I will not change my diet. My video will remain the same. My food will remain the same. But every day I'll come here at least 2 times a day for you to see me taking the tea. It works and it doesn't have any side effects. If it has side effects, you would have been seeing the side effects on me by now. Because I've been taking it for months, up to 8 months now. You'll have seen the side effect. You are just a phone call away. 0023481 56158 I repeat. 0023481 56158 It works. It works. When I mean it works and there is no side effect. Mama Fubi. It works, my darlings. It works. That's what I'm taking. If you think it doesn't work, if you eat the way I eat, in 1 month, you're going to be a lifted. If you eat the way I eat. I eat. I cook every day. I cook every day. There's no day I don't cook. Cook every day. I eat a lot. I do 2 things with my mouth. Eating and talking. And I eat more than the way I talk. I do lots of eating more than talking. I do less talk. I only talk on the live stream. If you know me in real life, I don't talk much. I don't have strength to talk. PR Organic. They got you covered. Contact PR Organic Skincare today. PR Organic weight loss product. It's 100% effective. No side effect. Don't come to my inbox. I'm not the seller of PR Organic. The seller contact is 002348156158550. 23481 56158 550. 23481 56158 550. PR Organic, the of organic product in the world. One of. Bye bye everyone. Bye bye everyone. Bye bye everyone. It's nice to see you, yeah. I love you. You love me. We are happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you see you love me too? I love you. You love me. We are happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? What did baby girl for like it today? Amazing. Oh, my Melly, you missed it. Oh, I ate cassava flakes. I ate African crepes. I ate fried fish. I ate tea. I ate milk. I ate cashew nuts. Yes. And croissants. That's everything I ate. Good morning, Colleen. Can you put this name in the comments? This name? You mean PRO? Okay, I think you're talking about PRO. PRO. Let me see if I can tag P. Okay, yes. Yes, I've been able to tag. Yeah, PRO Organic. Love you, Pa. Love you, Carl. PRO Organic. Their contact is 002348156158550. 23481561585 550. Yeah, it's PRO Organic. PR Organic. 23481561585 550. You can reach them via WhatsApp or a DM. But if you think, I will advise you to reach them via a call. So many imposters out there. Before you make any payment via Facebook, Instagram, make sure you screenshot the page to me. Let me confirm it's the authentic PRO before any payment. But if it's through this number, you don't need to wait for me to confirm it. Right? But if it's through DM, please wait for me to confirm it. If it's through this number, you don't need to wait for me to confirm it. It's 100% effective. No side effect. I'm gonna catch you guys on my next video. Bye bye for now. You're welcome, Colleen. Thank you, Sunday. Bye bye. Bye bye, everyone. Bye bye.